Tesla Giga Berlin launches its rooftop solar installation. Tesla has registered and launched a solar installation on the roof of its European factory, Giga Berlin. At the moment, it has a capacity of 1 kilowatt-hour and partially powers the production of the German Model Y. For more than a year, we have watched Tesla install solar panels on the roof of its first European factory. The progress has been exciting as the use of renewable energy in manufacturing is a huge boon. Now, according to the German blog, teslanews, the installation is already registered. According to official data, the solar installation was first launched on April 6, 2023. However, this does not mean that it went actively into use. Most likely it was testing. The data showed that the registration of the solar installation took place on June 20, and as of this date, it was active. The specifications state that the installation consists of 2,740 photovoltaic modules, which have a total capacity of 1,000 kilowatt-hours. The useful rated power is 880 kilowatts. In addition, it is stated that Giga Berlin does not use energy storage for excess energy. This can be explained by the fact that all energy received from the solar panels is immediately used. Therefore, at the moment, there is no point in installing an energy storage device. The description also states that the unit provides partial power including own consumption. Tesla planned Giga Berlin from the very beginning as a sustainable factory. Powered by solar energy and windmills, which are located relatively close to the factory. The manufacturer stated, Gigafactory Berlin-Brandenburg will have a solar roof and aims to use renewable electricity to help Germany and Brandenburg achieve its ambition energy wind objectives. Source: reposted and summarized from Eva Fox at Tasmanian.